Hi guys, I am live after so long. This feels weird because I've not done this in so long, but just wanted to come on and say hi. And yeah, we are 10 million strong on Instagram. Someone is saying I'm 4 minutes late. Yes, I am late. I was just making sure the Wi-Fi is working properly, so that there's no interruption. Sadia Hussain, hi Sadia. Armenians, Nepal. Hey guys, what's up? So yeah, 10 million on Instagram. Unreal. It's unbelievable that we've reached that number, and it's just you guys are just awesome. It's all because of you all. So I mean, I've done my thing. I've been singing, I've been doing music and stuff, but you guys have supported me so much over the years, and now we're at this beautiful number of 10 million. It's people asking me about my health and what's the update. Well, it's been a couple of, how do I say this? It's been a rough couple of days. It's not easy losing a loved one. I couldn't celebrate my birthday properly either. I mean, I did bring it in, but the next day, my dadi wasn't well, so I didn't feel like celebrating my birthday as much. So इसलिए मैंने मतलब कुछ ज़्यादा post नहीं किया. I didn't come live and didn't talk to you guys. But yeah, I'm here now. Just want to celebrate 10 million Armenians, and just say that I'm so happy that you guys are loving the mixtape. Naya wala jo mixtape aaya hai is amazing. For me, it's like I've been waiting for it to come out for a very long time, and finally it's out there, and you guys are loving it. Huge shout out to Palak and Abhijit and Aftab and Ahmad sir and the whole team at T Series and Amazon Prime. They've Prime Music. I think they've done a fab job with the whole new season. A lot of my fans are joining in. आज मैं I won't be able to sing or anything. I don't know. I'm not in that zone. I just finished shooting for something really special. I think Amal was doing a live earlier, and he kind of said that, I think he revealed that he was shooting for something. Well, me and him, we both were shooting for something together, and it's coming out soon. It's mostly coming out in August only. It was a mad shoot. We had so much fun. बहुत beautiful surprise होने वाला है. So yeah, hang in there. Imra Amjad, Assalamu alaikum, sir. Love from Pakistan. Lots of love to you guys. I'm sad that I can't meet you guys in person, but lots of love to everyone out there. Thank you for loving my songs and my music and just everything that I do. Saida Zaheen is asking me whether me and Amal will do a single together. Of course, Amal के साथ तो मतलब एक गाना करना ही है, where we both are in the video. So hopefully soon we can do that. Wait, I should. By the way, I'm sure you guys already know that I'm wearing my merch right here. This is the Next to Me tee. This is one of my favorites. I love the color. It's blue. You guys know that I really love blue. So yeah, I mean, the merch the pre-order of the merch has already been sold out. You guys have just been like it's overwhelming, the response to the merch. I'm so glad that you guys are liking the designs. We've been working on this for a very long time. I'm so glad that I can wear my own merch, like finally. Like I've always wanted. Call aa gaya tha. I was just saying that I'm super excited that my merch is now out there in the world. It's going to be available to everyone out there. I know थोड़ा सा आप लोग को confusion हो रहा था कि what's happening. Well, I launched it on my birthday as a pre-order, and whoever has ordered it during the pre-order phase will be getting their merch somewhere early August, and we are launching it like for everyone worldwide next month again, like August के first week में. It should be available for everyone else as well properly. It'll be available across across the board. So I'm super excited for it to be available for all my fans. Amin is here. Amal is here. Thanks, Amal. Arman Lifeline, we love your merch. Thank you so much. Being Armal Malik, that fan box. Yeah, the fan box has is something that everyone is loving, and a lot of people have messaged me that they love everything that's in the fan box. So yeah, that's definitely a fan favorite. मैं अभी I'll add a few fans actually on this. Let's see who I can add. चलो रिक्वेस्ट भेजा है. Let's see. Okay, I don't think. Okay, declined. So we'll have to add someone else. Let's see. There's so many of you. I don't know who to add. Let's hope this next person accepts it. मैं ऑलवेज मतलब डर में रहता हूँ यार, एक्सेप्ट करेंगे या डिक्लाइन करेंगे, पता नहीं. Usually I do my lives at midnight, so I'm at that point of time I understand if someone doesn't want to like come on, but अभी तो decline मत करो यार. Okay. एक्सेप्ट करेंगे तो डार्क रूम तो नहीं खेलेंगे. Sanaya_AM says hello बोल दो मुझे. Hi. Well, we have someone here. Hi.
Hi.
Can you see me? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Amisha.
Hi, Amisha. Where are you from?
It's just a dream. Ujjain, MP.
Good.
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I just came back from a shoot, which I'm really excited about. Hi, I think that's your mom there.
Yeah.
Hi, auntie. How are you? कैसे हो आप?
Good.
I think she's.
It's just a dream, not true.
What's
I'm
up? Tell me
literally
something.
shivering.
Arey, don't shiver. We can, matlab, have a conversation with a friend. I'm your friend. What's up? How's it going?
Everything good. It's good.
How's the situation there in Ujjain? Corona है नहीं है क्या है?
नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. It's very
नहीं है.
less.
Chalo, great. Are you like stepping out and stuff?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
going out.
Are you studying right
Actually,
now?
I
Like,
am CA
are you
final
in school or
student.
college?
Yeah, I am a CA final student.
Oh,
I have, yeah,
amazing. तो मतलब
waiting for the result. Waiting for the
ओ,
results.
अच्छा
Finals result.
एग्जाम दे दिया.
Yes.
Amazing. I hope कि
Please,
uh,
please don't.
you have a great result.
Yeah, hoping so.
Fingers crossed.
I want to show you something, please, huh?
Okay, what do you want to show me? Wow, what is that?
उज्जैन महाकालेश्वर फोटो है.
Oh, wow, that's beautiful.
Yeah, you should come to Ujjain. It is famous.
Yes, I'll definitely come. I'll definitely come to Ujjain. I've heard a lot about Ujjain. आपने अभी already invitation दे दिया तो I will come there now.
And meet me once.
Done. मैं बताऊंगा before I
Can I
come
take a
on my
screenshot?
social
Yeah,
media.
yeah,
Then I'll
yeah.
come.
Yeah. Can I take a screenshot?
Yeah, of course. मैं सोचा अब तक ले लिया होगा.
नहीं, अभी तक शिवर हो रहा था ना.
अच्छा ले लो. You want me to pose or you took it already?
Yeah, I want to you to pose.
अच्छा ठीक है मैं पोज कर क्या पोज करूं मैं बताओ. हो गया चलो. Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah,
get
thank you.
someone else now on the live. Bye.
Bye.
Wait, how do I? Okay, 1 second. Okay. I've not done an Insta live in so long. Like learning stuff still. Universal pose is peace out. Yeah, I mean, what else do I do? I don't know. It looks cool. पता नहीं और कौन सा पोज. मेरा एक पोज है ये वाला जो मैं हर टाइम करता हूँ फोटोज में. But she was taking a screenshot. I think this works the best. Let's see who we can add. There are so many fans online. I don't even know किसको add करूँ. Okay, चलो. Send a request. अरे निशु आइंस 24 हेयर स्टाइल चेंज किया क्या आपने? नहीं, हेयर स्टाइल चेंज नहीं किया है, बस मतलब सेट नहीं किया है. इट्स जस्ट मेसी. आई हैव नॉट डन एनीथिंग टू माय हेयर. इट्स जस्ट द वे इट इज. पता नहीं क्या हो गया. वियर्ड है लेकिन. नीचे डाल दो क्या? I don't know. I'm confused. हेयर स्टाइल चेंज नहीं किया, सेम है, बस मतलब थोड़ा मेसी है. um, I don't know किसने join किया and they left also. I don't know what's the scene. um, let's see who else we can add. uh, I can see you guys are loving the falsetto in the mixtape. Okay, we have someone live. Hi. I think network issues हैं. Hello. Okay, they're frozen. Ravani underscore Saurav, your voice up. Oh my God, fire! आपका आवाज सुनने के लिए सब कुछ छोड़ सकते हैं. Thank you so much. That's so sweet. Who do I take live? Hello.
Hello. Namaste.
Hi.
Namaste.
Namaste. Hi. What's your name?
My name
I'm sorry.
Om.
Okay. Yeah, I think I can see your username. AORM. Om.
Yes. Oh, yes.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Thailand.
You're from Thailand. Wow.
I'm
Awesome.
so happy.
So you've been
I
listening to
am.
my music?
Yes, I listen to your music, and I like to listen Hindi song too.
You like my Hindi songs as well. Wow. Which song do you like of mine? Have you heard my English songs?
Yes, I like Jab Tak,
Oh, you like Jab Tak?
and I
Wow.
can sing a little bit too.
You want to sing something for me?
Sure, but my accent in Hindi is not good.
That's
I
fine.
will
That's
try.
fine. I mean, anything is fine.
Okay, so I will sing now. Can I?
Okay. Okay.
I'm so excited. Okay. जब तक तुझे प्यार से होंगे मर जाए ना रूह मेरे पास तुम रहो जाने की बात ना करो मेरी सांस तुम रहो जाने की बात ना करो. Yeah,
Yay!
that's
That was so adorable. That was actually good. I'm so glad that you can sing that much in Hindi.
thank you.
So, can you teach me something in Thai? I would love to.
Okay.
What should I say? How
Uh,
how do I say hi, lots of love?
um, you can say สวัสดี
Sawadi.
Yes, สวัสดี is mean hi.
Okay. And what is I think I've heard of Sawadika, right?
Yes, สวัสดี ครับ. Yes.
Sawadika.
And then we can say รักทุกคน
What is that?
รัก
Rak?
Yes, it mean love.
Oh, wow. Okay, I'm learning something new today. Well, thank you for joining in. I'm so glad we could have you on the live.
Me too. I am so happy. Thank you so much.
And I
Kamu
hope I can
ternyata
come. I hope I can come to Thailand. I've always wanted to perform there, so hopefully, if I come there, I will definitely see you.
Sure, sure. You can come to visit here one day.
Okay, take care.
Can we screenshot?
Bye. Wow, that was so sweet. I mean, I just love how fans from across the world listen to my music and even the Hindi stuff. Um, it's unbelievable. Thank you guys for so much love. I love you guys. Love you guys so much. Today is actually I would like to celebrate you guys because y'all have like reached this milestone, not me. It's you guys. It's 10 million Armanians. Uh, this is a celebration for you, every one of you. Petition to do milli step after this live. Okay, I will try. I remember doing this back in the day when like anytime I used to like hit a million, um, a new million, I think I used to do the milli step, which was something like this. Now that I look back at it, it seems kind of like very corny, but cute. Armal's aficionado. Did you see our DPs? Which DP? Okay, yeah, I can see that. I can see like that yellow Control T wala display. That's awesome. I love you guys, man. You guys are amazing. कभी भी मुझे मतलब whenever I feel low and I see your comments and your tweets and stuff like that, it just makes me feel so much better. I love all of you so much. Um, should we take another fan? Okay, taking another person live and then we will end this so I can go have dinner. बचपन का प्यार गाओ मत ने प्लीज वो छोड़ दो वो गाना प्लीज. It's the most irritating song now. I mean, I like how the kid sang. It's cute, adorable, but अभी बहुत ज़्यादा उसको खींच लिया. How can we see the video of Arman Malik live, which you've done in June? I will. I will post a few videos on my YouTube channel. Okay, I added someone, but I don't think they have accepted it. किसी और को ऐड करेंगे हम अभी. Okay. Mommy is asking what are you going to eat for dinner. I also don't know. Sid. To be honest, I'm going to go and figure out what's for dinner. My mom must have cooked up something. Lots of love to your mom, bro. Abhi, who should I take? इतने heavy सवाल आ रहे. When will you get married? ये अभी का मतलब क्वेश्चन नहीं है. उसको टाइम है थोड़ा सा. You are my बचपन का प्यार. Okay, cool. Who do I take?
Oh my God! I can't believe it! Oh my God! This has
Hi.
become true! Hi! I can't believe it! Oh God! Oh my God!
What's your
shaking.
name?
Oh, okay. My name is Divpreet, and I'm
Okay.
from Delhi. And
Okay.
I just love your voice. Like, I can't believe it. Uh, Recently, I saw one of your podcasts with Ranveer,
Yeah.
and yeah, I was very much inspired by you, and I can't believe it that I'm on a video call with you. I can't believe it. It's
That's so
shaking.
sweet.
I'm just shaking. Oh my god. I just want you to sing one of your songs for me.
Oh, okay. I kind of told my fans I won't sing on this live, but I think you're requesting itne sweetly, so I will sing a few lines. Which is your favorite
Yeah,
song of mine?
yeah. Anyone from any of your songs? I'm just not able to comprehend that I'm talking to you right now. I
Okay.
would love, yeah, any of your
Uh,
slow songs. Yeah, any slow song. Love
Okay, cool.
song.
Um, इतनी मोहब्बत करो ना, मैं डूब ना जाऊं कहीं, वापस किनारे पे आना, मैं भूल ना जाऊं कहीं, देखा जब से है चेहरा तेरा, मैं तो हफ्तों से सोया नहीं, बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छिपा, मैं किसी से कहूँगा नहीं, बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छिपा, मैं किसी से कहूँगा नहीं.
So much.
I think she's hung.
Music literally heals me. Music literally heals me. And I am just glad you
Hi,
sang
can
it for
you see
me.
me? I think you're frozen. Wait. Yeah, I can see you now. Yeah. Sorry, I lost you there.
Yeah.
Sorry, I couldn't hear what you were saying.
I said music just heals me. Music heals my soul, and it's like something I've been feeling from my childhood up till now. It holds a very big part of my life. Like, and I'm glad I could connect to you. I connected to you a lot when I heard you on a podcast with Ranveer, and from then on I've been following you like everywhere, and it's a dream come true to talk to you.
I'm so
Thank you
glad. I'm
so
so
much.
glad that you heard a podcast and understood a little bit about me,
Yeah,
and that led you here. So that's really sweet. Thank you so much.
yeah. Thank you
Okay.
so much for
Bye.
accepting
Take
it.
care. Lots of
Bye.
love. Bye.
Thank you.
So, well, yeah, that was a fan from Delhi. Quite excited. It's amazing to talk to you guys all across India, all across the world. I mean, I think we uh, went to Thailand, then we went to Delhi, we were in Ujjain. It's beautiful to see so much love all over. Thank you guys. I'm gonna end this live. Um, I know it's you guys don't want me to ever end these lives. Even I don't want to end these lives because it makes me feel better. It makes me feel happier whenever I talk to you guys. So yeah, we're gonna do more of these. I hope. I mean, I'm gonna try to do more of these. लेकिन जाने से पहले I just want to say that I love you guys and what you guys do for me, the stuff that you keep sending. I saw a bunch of videos where you know you all were feeding underprivileged children on my birthday, and you know such beautiful things online you guys have been doing. I know I haven't like responded to anyone properly on my birthday, but Just know that I love you guys so much, and I see everything, and I appreciate all the love you guys send my way. 10 million Armanians, I can't believe it. Huge number. Many more millions to go. But yeah, we're together as a family, and I'm so glad that I have you guys by my side. Lots of love. Love you guys. Have a good night. Bye.